हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू स्टडी नेस्ट। माय नेम इज़ राधिका। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए कुछ न्यू लेकर आई हूँ। वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है नाउन। नाउन आज हम स्टोरी के रूप में करेंगे। एज अ स्टोरी हम समझने की ट्राई करेंगे नाउन को। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर वॉज अ यंग गर्ल नेम्ड लिली who loved to collect nouns. She had jar filled with colorful nouns such as butterfly, rainbow, and sunshine. Lily would spend hours each day organizing and admiring her collection of nouns. One day, Lily decided to take her collection of nouns to show her classmates at school. As she walked through the halls, she noticed that her classmates were all carrying something different. Some had books, others had backpacks, but Lily was the only one carrying jars filled with nouns. When Lily arrived in her classroom, her classmates were intrigued by her collection. They asked her what she planned to do with all those nouns. Lily replied, I don't know yet, but I love to collect them. Each noun tells a story, and I want to keep them close to me. As the day went on, Lily's classmates began to appreciate the beauty of nouns. They started to notice how each noun had a unique story behind it and how they could use nouns to describe their own experiences. From that day on, Lily's classmates started to collect nouns too. They would bring in nouns they found in nature, words that reminded them of a special memory, and even adjectives that described how they felt. Lily's love of nouns had sparked a new appreciation for language in her classmates. Years later, when Lily was an adult, she opened up a noun museum where people could come and appreciate the beauty of words. Her museum was filled with jars of nouns from all over the world, each with their own story to tell. Lily's love of noun had sparked a lifelong passion for language and storytelling in herself and others. इस स्टोरी से हमें समझ आता है नाउन की डेफिनेशन। नाउन इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग एट्सेट्रा। यहाँ देखिए इस स्टोरी में हमने नाउन्स देखे, बटरफ्लाई, रेनबो, सनशाइन एंड इवन लिली हरसेल्फ इज़ अ नाउन एंड मैनी डिफरेंट नाउन्स वी विटनेस इन दिस स्टोरी। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी नेस्ट को एंड इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट को भी फॉलो करें और न्यू अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।